Okay guys, I ordered some handguards for my TW200 here from Amazon. These were cheapy ones. This is how it came packaged. Just wanted to show. Excuse the game in the background. My son's having a good time. But here's these JFG-RACING. I'll have a link down below. All my videos always have a link down below. But I'll get these unpackaged and get them out, and then I'll do a process showing people how to mount something like this, because I see a lot of people ask questions on the forums and such. So I'll kind of try to do a step-by-step-ish, or at least explain how and why I did what I did. So there's that. There's the TW with nothing on it. So yeah, mine's 89. Shouldn't matter. They're all the same. And here we go. Okay, here's everything unpackaged, so to speak. I'm guessing they will go with this big part here will go up. So they'll probably go something like this. I'm just kind of guessing for right now. Somewhere's on there. So once we get the hardware out, make sure you've got, this will clamp around the bars, and then we'll bolt on here. And these guys here will go into the ends of the bars. And as you tighten up this collet here, these will expand. So you'll cut a hole in the end of these grips. And probably on the throttle side, we'll probably have to drill out that stuff, the plastic throttle, whatever you call the throttle twister, plastic anyway. So this will fit through it so they can expand in the bars. So I'll kind of get some of the pieces mocked up and show you how that went next. Okay, here's what this looks like. So you got to take it apart. So this piece just slides over top. That's for your bigger bars. But anyways, you got to take it apart. Put the bolt through the end of the bar here. Then put the small one on. Then the collet thing will screw on. And then once you crank it down, this will expand these guys, put into the bars. So on this side of the bar, I took a razor knife. Focus on me here. Took a razor knife and I cut the end of the grip off because it's going to ride flush with the bar here. And yeah, the hole's there, so no problems there. So I'm going to kind of mock it up in place from there, and then I'll figure out, once it's in place, I'll figure out where this mount goes, and I'll show you how that went. Okay guys, I got it on there. I took this trim piece off. That goes on there is just a couple screws, and these little things come out. So I could get it on I set it on a piece of metal and beat it with a hammer. I just got it straightened out, and that was pretty easy. Down here, I just used 2 crescent wrenches on it. Undecided if I got this in the right position. It seems like if I put it on one side of this thing, it bends it one way. If I put it on the other, it bends it the other way. So I'm not sure what I'm going to do with that yet, but I just used a crescent wrench here and a crescent wrench here and twisted them the opposite way and gave that a little spin. So we got that to fit pretty good. Now I got to go do the other side, so hopefully it's in the right position. I kind of put it in line with the clutch lever here so it protects the clutch lever. I don't know, we'll see over time kind of how it goes. If it's straight ahead, it doesn't give a whole lot of shield to your hand, but I'm hoping that little lip will, so I don't know if I need to move it up more. This just seemed like the right way to put it. So I don't know, we'll give it a road test and see. If I got to twist it more, I'll twist it more, but I think it'll work that way for now, so we'll see what happens. So now the fun of doing the other side. Okay, throttle side, I cut the end of the grip off here. You can see it's got, oh, there's some plastic something in there. The end of the bars have a little thing in them. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a step bit and just kind of punch it in there. And that is this. Well, of course my drill battery's dead when I need it. Anyways, I'm going to use that to ream the hole out. Okay, so you want to just pretty much cut the end of that everything off just like the other side, because you don't want it to rub on that. Oop. That thing always falls off. Anyways, you don't want it to rub on this or you're going to get a bind. So you want to make sure it's free and clear. I straightened this one out already. And I did my bend down here, which is pretty close, so I'm gonna put the bolt in. I think we're gonna be pretty close to working out, so hopefully I won't have to give it any more tweaks. I don't know if anything ever really would be just a bolt on. I mean, these are aftermarket bars someone put on this thing before I got it. So I don't know, your mileage may vary on your machine. If you got a different set of bars, they might have a little different bend to them, which maybe they'll work without having to be modified, you know. But I don't know, me, once I order something, if I can't make it fit by modifying it, then I have a problem. I don't know, I'm the guy that's always going to make something fit, so once I'm done, nobody knows any better. So anyways, on to the assembly. Okay, there we go, got them both installed. They're pretty close to even. I think the throttle side's just a smidge higher. I'll bump that down a little bit here, but there you go. 30 bucks is what I paid for these things. I had to do a little tweaking. Doesn't really bother me. It'll probably bother some of you. I'm not sure if this washer goes there. There's no instructions. It's just kind of a do whatever you feel like kind of gig. So anyways, yeah, we'll see. Reviews by other people have been good, so hey, you know, it should be fine. Like I said, I've got no complaints. Yeah, that one's definitely a lot higher. I'm gonna have to adjust that. That doesn't look right. Anyways, I'll get that fixed, not a big deal. I'll just have to tap it down or this one up. So that's it for me. It would be way cooler if it would fit out of the box, but there's so many different handlebars, I don't know how they could. Anyways, some of the other people that left reviews were all positive, so I don't know what they did. So anyways, there you go. Like, comment, and subscribe. Check my links down in the description. And thanks for stopping by. Okay, just took a couple rides in the 30s to 40s. They work pretty well. They probably could go up a little bit higher, but they block the wind okay. I got good winter riding gloves anyways, but I'm probably gonna bop them up just a little bit more. So they're pretty close, but for what I want, they work perfect. So I know they're not gonna block the wind 100%, so I have gear for that. So anyways, there you go. Hope that was helpful to you. Don't forget to subscribe and follow my links to my Amazon store.